Hello students, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from AVM Mount Up. Students, today's our topic is temperature scales. So first thing, what is temperature? You know, temperature, it is a thermodynamic state function. It is a physical parameter which gives information about the heat content. By temperature, we can judge whether the particular substance or thing is cold or hot. Generally, we say that if the temperature is less, then the thing is cold, and if the temperature is high, then thing is hot. There are three scales of temperature: Kelvin scale, degree Celsius scale, and degree Fahrenheit scale. We don't use degree in Kelvin, remember this thing. Mainly we use Kelvin and degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit it is less used. Now Kelvin scale, it is related to the kinetic energy of molecules, and the absolute zero or zero Kelvin temperature is temperature at which the all molecular motion ceases. It means there is no movement of the particles at this temperature. The degree Celsius scale related to the temperature, that is boiling point and freezing point of water. The range is from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius it is freezing point of water, and 100 degrees Celsius it is boiling point of water. So in this below diagram, I have shown the relation between the Kelvin degree Celsius scale and degree Fahrenheit scale. So you can see there 0 degrees Celsius is equal to the 273 Kelvin, and 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin, and 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, and 100 degrees Celsius is equal to the 212 degree Fahrenheit. We have two formulas by which we can convert the degree Celsius into Kelvin and degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So the first formula, you can see that Kelvin value is equal to degree Celsius value plus 273, or exactly it is Kelvin value is equal to degree Celsius value plus 273.15, or we can say 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 degree Celsius. And the second formula, that is degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. So we have some problems in our NCERT book. So you can see the first question: convert the following temperature to the Kelvin scales. So we have to convert the Kelvin into Celsius value. So we have 293 Kelvin. So we can keep the value in this formula. 293 is equal to degree Celsius value plus 273. So degree Celsius value will be 293 minus 273. That is 20 degrees Celsius. So you can understand that if you want to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius, so we have to subtract 273. In similar way, if we have 470 Kelvin, that will be equal to 470 minus 270, that is 197 degree Celsius. And next question, we have to convert the Kelvin scale into Kelvin scale. We have the degree Celsius, so we have to add 273. So according to formula, we have Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273, so we have 25 degrees Celsius. So we keep the value here 25 plus 273, so we will have 298 Kelvin. So we can say 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 98 Kelvin. And in similar way, if we have 373 degrees Celsius, so it is equal to 646 Kelvin. Thank you.